I'll be the judge of that. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in diamond. He's got a diamond charm. I wonder how big the difference between diamond and champ actually is. Okay, so this is perfect utility usage. You're grenading the castle rather than punching it 11 times like an absolute imbecile. That's my type of grenade. That's my type of grenade. Castle's playing through his connect. Smoke. Is anyone in this lobby, like, aware? Oh, you're dead to mute.
Reloading.
C4, C4, C4.
We're last operators.
Okay, if this is diamond, I landed on the moon. If this was diamond, I've set foot on the moon. There's no way that's a diamond lobby.